The majority of the Boro live on the foothills of the mighty Himalayan ranges in the north bank of the Brahmaputra or Dilao River. About the same time, Christianity had its impact in Boro society. The first Christian missionary, Reverend Sidney Endle, came to preach the good news as early as 1864 among the Boro people. He was eloquent in the Boro language. Reverend Sidney Endle established many village schools. In 1875, Reverend Endle's Boro Christian Church was built at Bengbari. He is known as the father of Boro literature by compiling an outline of Kachari grammar and by publishing a monograph, The Kacharis. Cradled in lush valleys, protected by majestic green hills, nurtured by teeming rivulets, enchanting flora and fauna, the Boro lives in his basic social unit, the village. Houses are built of bamboo and straw thatch with a courtyard in between.